5 Features of No-Code Platforms. No-code platforms provide a way for users to create and deploy applications without writing any code. This can be a great way for non-developers to create simple applications, or for developers to quickly prototype an idea. Some of the main features of no-code platforms include drag-and-drop interface. Most no-code platforms have a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to add different features and functionality to your application. Pre-built components. Many no-code platforms come with a library of pre-built components that you can use in your applications. This can save you a lot of time compared to building everything from scratch. No coding required. As the name suggests, you don't need to write any code to use a no-code platform. This can make application development much faster and easier for those who are not familiar with coding. Cloud-based. Most no-code platforms are cloud-based, which means they can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. This makes it easy to work on your applications from anywhere in the world. Affordable. Since no-code platforms don't require any coding,